In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an interlaced text effect in GIMP, step by step, so you can make your typography look like it's woven together instead of sitting flat on the canvas. This is a really cool effect for thumbnails, posters, gaming graphics, social media designs, and any project where you want your text to stand out with a bold, creative look. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy GIMP tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open GIMP and create a new project or open the design you want to work on. It always helps to start with a clean canvas so you can position your text properly and see the effect clearly. Now choose the text tool, which you can access by pressing T on your keyboard. Once the text tool is active, click on your canvas and type your first word. For the best results, use a thick, bold font like Montserrat Black, Impact, or any heavy font that has strong letter shapes. The thicker the font, the easier it will be to create a convincing interlaced look later on. After typing the first word, adjust the size until it fills the space the way you want. Then choose a color for it. You can keep it simple with white, blue, or any base color that fits your design. The main thing is to make sure this first word is clear and bold because it will be the foundation of the effect. Next, create your second word. Select the text tool again and make a second text box. Type the interlacing word, and this time choose a contrasting color. For example, if your first word is light, make the second word a strong orange, red, or another bright color that really pops. The contrast helps the interlaced effect stand out and makes the final design look more dynamic. Now position the second word so it overlaps the first word significantly. This overlap is very important because the illusion only works if the letters cross over each other in a way that looks intentional. Spend a little time moving the text around until the two words are layered in a way that gives you plenty of areas to edit. You want enough overlap so the letters can appear to weave through each other. Once the text is positioned, go to the top text layer in the Layers panel. This is the layer you're going to edit with a mask. Right-click on that layer and choose Add Layer Mask. When the mask options appear, set it to white. A white mask means everything is visible at first, which gives you full control over what you want to hide next. Now press N on your keyboard to switch to the pencil tool. The pencil tool is useful here because it gives you precise control when removing parts of the text. After that, make sure your foreground color is set to black. Black on a layer mask hides parts of the layer, which is exactly what you need for the interlaced effect. With the pencil selected and black is your foreground color, start carefully painting over the parts of the top text that should appear to pass behind the bottom word. This is where the effect really comes to life. You're not erasing everything at once. Instead, you're choosing alternate sections of the letters so they look like they weave over and under each other. Take your time with this part, zoom in if needed, and work slowly through each letter. Think of it like weaving a ribbon through another object. Some parts stay visible, and some parts disappear behind the overlapping word. If you make the hidden sections too large, the effect can look unnatural. If you make them too small, the interlacing may not be obvious enough. The key is balance. As you work, step back and check the overall look often. This helps you see whether the letters are alternating in a convincing way. You may need to adjust a few strokes or make the hidden sections more even. The more carefully you place the masked areas, the more realistic your final effect will look. Once you're happy with the weave pattern, you can fine-tune the design by moving the text layer slightly if needed, adjusting colors, or adding more styling around the text. You can even add shadows, outlines, or background to make the interlaced effect pop even more. But even on its own, this technique creates a really professional-looking result. And that's how you create an interlaced text effect in GIMP. It's a simple technique, but when you do it carefully, it can completely transform plain text into something much more eye-catching and stylish. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more GIMP tips, and let me know in the comments what effect you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.